Pradeep Bhuttala here, and today we are going to play some Minecraft. So we are going to play Minecraft as Steve here. You can see Steve. We are going to play a new world in survival, totally no cheating, no nothing. So let's create this world, new one, and we are going to name this world as Supreme. Supreme is more than super, so let's Supreme world, name of this. No bonus chest, no nothing, seed nothing, show coordinates, yes. Let me check all the settings, perfect. Let's create, and guys, it's creating. Till that, subscribe to the channel if you're new and like this video. So let's wait till it's get on. So guys, you can see it's loaded, and now we are going to play some Minecraft. Let's see, where do we get spawned. I should have a good spawn location, please. Not in water, no? If I spawn in water, it will be so bad. Okay, we are here. No beds are here, so means we are not. Okay, we are in half desert. No, not desert. There is only sand. No, I think that is desert, right? Huh? I also don't have any idea. We will go and cut some wood here. Oh, there is icebergs. Okay, that's going to be good. This location is good location. So we need to fastly get wood and start creating house or make some tools. So let's quickly mine this up. Oops, let's change my hand. Now quickly take some wood and make some tools to mine the wood quicker. Means I will take a axe. So let's quickly take it. Okay, this tree was so small, so let's go and take another tree. Okay, game is lagging. Okay, need to quickly take this wood, quickly, and start building my house. It will not be so big for now. I will make it big afterwards, not now. Not that much time to make it too big. Oh shit, why am I breaking that? We need to take wood. 10 wood. Let's make some tools for us. So let's quickly make some tools. First go in here, crafting bench, put this logs, making planks. Oops. Then go make a crafting table, place the crafting table down, make some sticks. 4 is enough. Make an axe, make an pickaxe, put it on the main first two, and quickly take this crafting table with us and cut some more wood. Yay! Okay, how much wood do we need? Not bad. We need to take more still. Okay, so quickly take this wood. This is go mine up also. Take all this wood. Quick. I should have mined stone and then cut wood. That would be more quicker. I could have made a stone axe directly. Okay. Now let's quickly get as much wood we can and make ourselves a new house. So let's quickly take the wood. Taking all the wood here. So quick. Need to go quick. Oh, I just by mistakenly stripped the log. Oh my god. Quick. Need to get so quick. Oh my god. Quick. 15 is enough for now. No, 16. Actually, take this also. I already have 28. So let's quickly make a house here. Not that big also. So quickly make everything in planks, and everything is done. I have 64 and 28 planks here. Let's make a 3 by 3 house. Okay, so making a 3 by 3 house, so quick. Okay, done. Okay, so this is going to be my house for now. Then I will make it big. It will become a castle soon. For now this house is not that bad to stay. So put the crafting table, open it, make door 3. Okay, put it here 1, and make a chest quick. Chest done. Put the chest here, put all this stuff in here. Just take the pickaxe to get stone now. So we need to get stone quickly. Where to go? Here I will mine directly. So we need to get the stone quickly. Let's go down. Not directly down, actually I don't have any torches also. Oh, stone. Okay, quickly take all the stone. Oops, not directly down, there can be lava anywhere. Okay, oh no, game is lagging.